This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the app library. Swipe left past your final home screen until you land there. Once done, tap the search bar and type the app name or scan the category folders to spot it quickly. Make sure to press and hold the app icon when you find it. This reveals the option to add it back to home. You're doing this first because the app library bypasses hidden pages and lets you restore apps without resetting layouts. Next, use Spotlight Search to find the removed app fastest. Pull down in the middle of any home screen and type the app name. You should see matching results as you type. This is why partial letters often work. When the app appears, long press the result to reveal actions like opening, showing an app library, or adding to home. If you choose Add to Home, drag the icon to your preferred position. If you open it first, you can still re-add from the app's long press menu. To finish, drag the app from the app library back onto a home page and drop it where you want. This restores visibility. If the app doesn't appear anywhere, check Settings, General, then iPhone Storage to confirm it's installed. Once verified, you can re-download from the App Store if needed. If problems persist, restart your device and make sure iOS is up to date. These steps resolve most glitches and ensure the app returns to home reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.